Here they are in their new home, and all the garage stuff crammed around them. Finally, first day I've been home after work that I haven't had to move something. So right now everything is just crammed in. Going to put up some shelving. Get this stuff off the blazer. Got toolbox. Have to go all down through there and get all that stuff somewhere to go. Got all this stuff. All this stuff crammed in here. Coming from 6-car garage to 3. We got to move all that, get the S10 pushed back so we can put the workbench back there. Toolbox, going to build some shelving. It's a mess, guys. But it's the only way we could do it because everything we needed was in the back of the old shop. And now we're coming here with nothing. We did get some jack stands over there. Engine here, engine there. It's crammed. Welders. And that's a big open section. We just gotta build some shelving. But we're gonna have our work cut out for us trying to get all this stuff organized and get back on these hot rods. Hopefully I'm gonna get Shay's running and driving 100%, ready to roll. And then I'm gonna bring the C10. There's the Camaro and the Kia. But I'm gonna bring the C10 home from the storage unit and then park her car outside while I work on the C10. I was gonna build this Vortec. This is a 5.3. It's getting forged pistons, stock bottom end, but forged pistons. Set of ported 243s, and it's built for boost. This is a Vortec 350. I actually got this when I bought Shay's car. It came with it. It's complete. I've got the intake, the heads, block, rockers. Everything's in it. But I don't know. I wanted to build it and put it in a C10, but everybody keeps telling me don't do it because I'm going to end up wanting to, do a bunch of other stuff. But the accessories for that for AC is simple. AC sits right on top, alternators right below it. It's stupid easy to set up, and it's factory GM. And I've got the brackets. So I want to put that in the C10 because it's just going to be a driver, but I want to be able to tow. I want to be able to tow all these cars with it. And I don't think that straight 6 is going to have enough guts to make me happy. Everyone says they're workhorses and they're real reliable and they don't burn a lot of fuel. Well, I'm not really concerned about that. I want to be able to tow with it. Because in my eyes, I want to be able to get rid of the Suburban and drive the C10. I don't need the Suburban if I got the C10 to tow. And the C10 would be a cool tow vehicle. But yeah, that's the back of the shop. Let me show you the inside, how messed up it is. Dogs. Anybody want some dogs? Free. So back here, we've got empty boxes and then more toolboxes. And kind of like a little bit of a row behind Shay's car, but you can see how much room there is behind her car. It's about 4 feet. And then that whole middle section between the S10. Now the S10 is the longest vehicle, so most likely here where Garrett's is going to sit, the S10 would be sitting here. And then Garrett's will go over there because we're putting all the shelves. There's going to be some shelves right here behind Shay's car, probably 2 or 3 shelves. And then there's going to be workbench, toolboxes. Everything's going to be over there for that area. But we got to organize all this stuff now that we're finally moved. That's the next thing that we're doing, videoing. But yeah, you can see we kind of got a little bit of the cleaning supply shelves up. He can still open his door and get in. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're finally moved in, but we're a long ways from where we need to be. I want to build shelving to go from like floor to ceiling height. I think these ceilings are 10 feet. And I want to be able to stack totes over there, like right here. I want to be able to stack totes and get them off the floor and be able to clean up and organize. Something we've never been able to do anywhere else. But yeah, this is our mess. Don't it look like fun? Anybody that wants to help, we live in Cape Coral now. You can come over and maybe not let me throw my back out moving all this stuff again. We're just going to take it a section at a time. Probably starting over there with the S10 because that's where the majority of the stuff is going to go in the front there. But yeah, what a pain in the butt. I think it took us about 20 days of moving. It's a lot. Yeah, 20 days. So, there you go. Look at our mess and where we gotta go. See all our mess? Yeah, we got a lot to do. Stay tuned because we gotta work on the S10 and get it ready for Christmas tree drags. That's December 22nd, so we literally ain't got very much time to have it going. It already runs and drives, but it's got little things that need to be done. So stay tuned. Later.